let's start talking about DNA. Okay, so does anybody know what DNA stands for? Should have this actually, I think, from the beginning when we talked about the.
Yeah, I think you
Deoxyribose.
Yeah, deoxyribose nucleic acid.
I got 2/3 of it.
2/3.
Okay, so deoxyribose nucleic acid. Does anybody remember why it's called deoxyribose nucleic acid? Obviously, it's a nucleic acid. What? I think you might have been right. I thought I heard you say the right word. Maybe you didn't. So, what?
It has multiple oxygen. D is like 2?
Kind of. But so, all nucleic acids, by all I mean both, whether it's RNA or DNA, have a sugar phosphate backbone. Okay? In DNA, the sugar is deoxyribose. In RNA, it's just ribose. Okay? So, sugar in backbone is deoxyribose. Okay? And so DNA, is it double or single stranded? Anybody know?
No.
It's double stranded, okay? RNA is single stranded. Okay, so it's got a backbone on either side. And what joins the two backbones in the middle?
A little, like the colorful strips, you know? And they're like, and then like spiral around. It's like a staircase.
What are they called?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, what makes up DNA?
There's a thing that starts with a T. I know that.
Well, yep, that's one of them.
There's A and G and G.
Okay, so nucleotides. All right? Nucleotides are the, okay, and I'm going to write this down. They are a nitrogenous base, okay? But that basically just means that they're made up of nitrogen, okay? And some other stuff too, but mostly nitrogen. And we have two different types of nucleotides, and there's 5 total nucleotides, okay? One of them's only found in DNA, one of them's only found in RNA, all right? So, you have 2 types of nucleotides. Okay, so you're going to have these things called purines, okay? And they are double ringed, okay? They both kind of look like this, all right? We'll draw a hexagon, and then off of that, there is a pentagon, okay? So purines are the double-stranded ones, all right? And these double-stranded ones are, I forget for a second, adenine and guanine. The A's and the G's, okay? The other ones we have are the pyrimidines. Okay, pyrimidines, single ringed. Okay, so they're these single ring nitrogenous bases. And we have one that's in both DNA and RNA. Okay, so cytosine is in both DNA and RNA. Okay? Then we're going to have thymine, or T's, and this is only in DNA. Okay? And what that switches out with when it becomes RNA, okay, is going to be uracil, which is a U, only in RNA. Okay? And so that's kind of just the basics of kind of the soup that makes up DNA. Okay? We haven't really talked about how it really looks yet. But are there any questions?